Hello friends, in today's session we are going to create a game development application by using the Xenia platform, and we are going to learn the game development by using the palindrome checking string. So before that we just want to know what is palindrome. Palindrome, it is nothing but where it used to check the reverse order even if it is right. For example, if I am taking the word of madam, if I'm taking the reverse case of the madam, is it also replicate, or it will tell us it will name it as madam only. So in this case, this is an example for a palindrome where if word or a phrase or a sequence that reads the same backwards as forwards. So keep in mind, palindrome, it is nothing but when any character read the same backward as forward. Some examples of palindrome words are redivider. So when you cross check from the backward, it also gives the same meaning. Defied, civic, raider, level, level, rotor, and reviver, race car, and refer. These are all some example of palindrome. So we are going to do this process by using the Xenia platform, and we are going to check the string. As we know, string, it is a collection of a character. The largest palindrome is TATTARRATTAT. It is coined by James Joyce in his 1922 itself. So by this note, without delay, we can start on the Xenia platform. So in the Xenia platform, I'm going to use the HTML part and the inbuilt function of a scripting basis. So where I'm going to start with doc type HTML, and under the HTML part, I'm making their head and so maybe if you want, you can add the style sheet. I'm not going to use a style part. So I'm going to continue on my body tag. So under the body tag, so I'm going to enter the string. So enter, so it can be any string. So I'm making as enter any string, and the user need to input the value. For this, I'm going to use as input type. So under the input type, which is nothing but my text should be entered, and their ID could be as A, and I'm making their break. So it should show my result string, and where my input type is also text, so is also text, and I'm making their ID to be, I'm entering any alphabets, so it doesn't have any meaning for A and B. So next I'm making their break tag. I'm using the break tag. So you can able to see on the right hand side whatever we have processed, it has been displaying. If required, you can add the title over here. So I'm just adding the title, checking palindrome for string. Okay, and if required, you can add the header part. So under my header part, I'm making palindrome string. Okay, so maybe if require the background color, you can add the background color, or else you can skip it. So next I'm going to add the function part. Under the function part, I'm making the script, maybe the script type is text or JavaScript. So I have added the script type as JavaScript. Next I'm going to create the function where my yes, the punctuation is error, so keep while doing please check with the punctuation. If your punctuation is not right, in the sense, try to correct on that time itself. So next I'm going to declare the function as a function Paul, and I'm going to start my process as declaring the variable where my x is equal to document. It should get the value from the user. For this I am making as get element by id. It should get the value of a. Next we have to declare one more variable, which is y, and it should be blank. It is for the second box, and I need to give a condition for I is equivalent to x dot length. So the initialization is done, and we need to cross check with the greater than value of when I greater than equivalent to 0, the value should be subtracted. Okay, then my y value, it should assign of y plus x index of I. So that should need to be processed. Next I'm making one more condition. If x is equivalent to, that is whatever the input string is equivalent to the output string, in the sense yes, if x equivalent to y, in the sense, then my output or the user have to define document dot get element, which should show my value of b dot value, which is equivalent to y plus. It should add, for this only I'm adding the y plus is a palindrome. Else, obviously, when the element is not equivalent, in the sense, we have to display that thing is document dot get element, the value of b, which is equivalent to is x plus is not palindrome. So we have executed the thing. I hope this it gives a clear picture. We have inserted the title, we have inserted the header part, and we have inserted the two inboxes. One is we need to enter the string, and the second one is the to display the output. We are also used the result string. So next, on the scripting part, I have added the function poll, where I have declared the two variable. One is x and second one is my y. Under this I have given a for condition and also cross checked with the if basis. So let me check on the output. The output will not executed here since it is because we didn't insert any button. For this I'm going to use my input type. So under the input type I need a submit button. So under the submit button, whenever we click, it should process the poll function. So I'm using poll. So to execute or to find out this particular output, you can export this content, or you can share with your friends also. And here I'm just checking. So I'm just checking. I'm just clicking the submit button. It is showing it's not palindrome. Next I'm adding maybe madam. Yes, it is a palindrome. So I hope we have understood the concept of palindrome. We have cross-checked by using the string for string, and we have done through the HTML and the inbuilt function of a script basis without using the styling part. We can continue on the next session with new topic. Until then, thank you so much.